You go on this side though, because my number plate fell off somewhere. I don't know either. I just noticed it a second ago, but my bolt's still in. I guess the plastic must have broke.
Is it was over here or there?
Yeah, it must be over here. I noticed it over here, but
it'll take a while. But if we go to all the places you crashed, we'll find it.
Oh man, that's awesome. Well, hopefully we don't add to that.
Touche.
With the kickstart, man, I feel bad for him.
Guys, I'm so tired. look cool.
We're going Hoggin.
That had to look cool.
Oh, that was awesome.
That had to look cool.
I went, the two branches that were hanging down pretty low, I actually went under those.
I hit some, I hit some briars.
Oh.
There was a bunch of them things.
I got some good video of that.
That's awesome.
That's awesome.
That was a good grand finale right
Yeah,
there.
because there was a whole load of them.
That was awesome.
That was fun. I would have.
Trying to miss
They
all the
stink,
vines.
don't they?
Huh?
You smell them?
Yeah,
They
stink.
stink.
Yeah, that was fun.
How are you, Lakeland? It's good to meet you. I saw the picture of you and that horse.
Yeah,
That's so cool.
it's probably really hard to tell where you're crossing.
I can't even do wheelies at all. I'm better on my front wheel
Just
than
try
my
a couple
back
more
wheel.
times. That'd be really cool if you were both
Alright.
up in the air.
Let's get closer. All right, get closer to the middle.
Where do we want to cross? Here?
You want to
Yeah, cross like right.
if you
Yeah,
can.
right in the
I know it's
middle.
hard to time.
I think I'll just let you
It
go
would look
a
really
little
cool,
sooner. Okay. Keep doing your same thing. That one had to be pretty close.
That's pretty close. Let's use that one.
Yeah, that
That's
one,
close
that one wasn't bad. I was still too fast, but
A little bit. Yeah.
imagine
I
that.
really was high. I about looped out.
I kind of did too. A little closer than I meant to
That'd be
be.
great if we
But
both wrecked.
fishing's better later though anyway. Yeah, it's fine.
Pond right now, so.
Yeah. Alright. Another.
Take 19.
So from the side?
Take 365. Hope we got the shot of my boobs. Hope we didn't miss that. We can recruit it if it did.
It's for this thing.
I don't feel bad, Brett. You got stuff falling off everywhere.
Yeah.
I'm going to have to charge him for littering.
How she goes. I don't know where that number plate's at. We'll
Go
go.
find it with a brush hog.
And you want me to try to wheelie by as you're doing a nose wheelie?
You can go right in front of me and I'll go right as you pass and,
Okay.
and then
It was actually pretty good timing, I thought.
Oh, my zipper's down.
If I get any closer, it'll cut
alright,
off
well
the
that's
ends. Is
fine.
that
Just
fine?
stay right here then.
Okay, this is where I was last time.
Alright, yeah, let's do it again. I'll try to get it even a little bit closer and I'll
That
wheel
was
you up
pretty
to
good
it.
timing.
Yeah. Wheel it back. I was pretty close.
Yeah, that looked pretty sketchy.
Did you feel like I got close?
Yeah, it's okay.
I got pretty close.
You should have already been wheeling though. Nose wheeling.
I fell down more times just then than I care to do it in a whole month.
Yeah, but you're trying to go on the marbles outside the main line.
That's okay. We got plenty of footage of that.
That's good. I fell again. You guys didn't even see it just now.
Plus, he's got his sneak attack. He goes fast into the corner and fast out of the corner, but right in the middle he stops.
That's about like me, but I don't choose to do that. It just happens.
That may or may not be intentional, Larry.
Did you hear my tires?
I kept waiting for that.
I saw you reach out and try to grab his brake. That was awesome.
He got my arm.
That's pretty funny. That was really fun. But
Man, that thing's screaming.
I feel like
behind
such
me.
a goofball out there.
Yeah, that thing's got some issues, but
I could hear. I
it's
always knew.
vibrating sometimes.
Well, I knew if it was you or Brett because I'd hear that thing just screaming.
It's probably saying, "Get off me, you big bastard."
That was fun. Hi, sweetie. That was fun.